everyone, today we'll be doing another Cats versus Pickles, so hopefully we get a new one. So yeah, let's hope we get a new one. So, we've done this series a bunch of times. I'd say this is our, 7th time, I think, maybe. We've done 12 of, Kittens versus Gherkins and Cats versus Pickles and Dogs versus Squirrels all combined, but we've only done a few in this series, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 in the second, so this is the 7th one. 6 in the series, so this is the 7th one. Alright, let me introduce you to these guys. We have Teddy, Snuggle Time, number 314. Sparky, a firehouse cat, number 310. Chip, This Kitten Bites, number 152. This is our newest one. This is Luna, number 100. Oh, wait, I didn't. It's a firehouse cat. This Kitten Bites. Luna, number 116. This cat shines in the moonlight. Sunny, Sunflower Power, number 315. Yeah, number 315. And Cousteau, Water Freaks Me Out, number 312. Alright, let's get right into this. So, as you can see, here's the packaging. We have there's a gamer kitty we can't get in this series. There's another version of Gold Wave, so we can't get that one. Or this one. With this one we can get, we have Sparky over here, and that one's in the other version. So, yeah, let's get right into this. So, put that open. Alright. Uh-oh. I pulled something else out that I didn't want to see. Okay, not off to the best start. Okay, I almost saw the cat. Alright, on this list, I'm going to list some of my favorites. Alright, we have Dragon Kitty, Puffer, Soda Cat, Dr. Gherkin, Sharky, Odin Cat, Catsup, and Frenchie. Did I miss one? I think I did. Okay, maybe Mike Drop and Steamer. They look cool. So, yeah. Let's see who this is. So, I'll let you take a peek. So, 3, 2, 1... Ooh, look at this guy. He's like a golf cat. He has all these little dimples. Let's see what his name is. Divot 4. Cool. Number 292. I like this guy. So I like how he has all these dimples all around him. And I like his little golf club. He is really cool. And I like the Cats versus Pickles logo. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So bye!